What will people say? That one sentence ruled my life for years. My name is Nitya. I was born in a small Indian town where people talked more about others than about themselves. I loved making people laugh. Not just in a funny way. I wanted to tell stories, jokes, and real things from life that made people think and smile at the same time. I wanted to be a stand-up comedian. But no one really understood it. Jokes are fine at home, not on stage, my uncle would say. Who will marry a girl who tells jokes in front of strangers? Asked a neighbor. So, I started hiding my real self. I laughed with others, but cried when I was alone. I did everything expected from a good Indian girl, helped at home, studied hard, avoided attention, and always smiled politely. But inside, I was filled with jokes, stories, and thoughts I couldn't share. Why? Because I was afraid. Afraid of what people would say. I got good marks, got into a college in Delhi, and finally moved out of my small town. Delhi was loud, fast, but also full of life. I met new people who didn't care about what will others say. One night, a friend dragged me to an open mic event. I watched people perform poetry, music, and comedy. My heart started beating fast. I wanted to try, but the fear came back. What if they laugh at me instead of with me? What if I forget my lines? What will people think? I went back to my room and cried. But then, I remembered something my hostel roommate Zara once told me. People will always talk. But it's your life, Nitya, not theirs. That hit me. The next week, I signed up for the open mic. I stood in front of a crowd. My hands were shaking, my voice was low. I shared stories of my small-town childhood, my nosy relatives, and even the marriage proposals my mom kept showing me. At first, there was silence. Then, someone chuckled. And suddenly, the whole room was laughing with me. That night, I felt alive. I didn't win a trophy, but I won confidence. Since then, I started writing more, performing more. Some people loved it. Some made rude comments online. But I stopped caring, because life is too short to worry about others' opinions. Today, I'm a comedian. I perform at cafes, on college stages, and even post my videos online. And no, not everyone claps for me. Some relatives still say, "But when will you stop these jokes and get serious in life?" I just smile, because now I know, it's okay to live a life others don't understand. I wasted many years asking, what will people say? Now, I only ask, what will make me happy? And that one question changed everything. People will always have something to say, but your joy, your dreams, and your truth matter more. Live boldly. Time is precious. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another interesting story.